Alright, so hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I have with me the iPhone 6s, and as you can see I'm having this issue here with the company portal. Of course, anytime I were to put up my phone I won't be able to access the usual features. As you can see, the home button doesn't even work. Only volume and of course power. I can go to my lock screen and I can of course unlock it, but apart from that I cannot of course come off the screen. And I can show you that simply if I were to restart the phone, and if I have to do so I have to press my power and hold buttons simultaneously. So I'm going to reboot the phone so that you can see. Alright, so I'm booting it up, and just to show you guys what exactly happens, to see that basically if you guys are experiencing the same issue. But of course I'm going to show you how to fix it, but before I do so I just want to show you what happens. So I'm going to put in my lock screen password. You can see I am here on my home screen, and immediately this app opens up. Company portal. So basically it looks like you have to sign in with a specific company, or whatever features are restricted through that particular company or organization. So this is basically why this application comes up. So you can see I cannot get off. I cannot even go to my recent apps screen. So simply to remove this, just be sure of course to not have any accounts on there. If you have any accounts on there, then definitely you need to try of course to have your password contained. You need to know your password. If you do not know your password, then unfortunately you may end up in iCloud lock, which we do not want. But this is the only option by of course resetting to factory. So the tool that we're going to use today is FreeUtools, and of course I highly recommend it, and I give kudos to the development team of this app. It's very useful. So I am going to open it up now. Let me just focus my camera a bit so that you guys can see. Okay, so on FreeUtools we are going over to toolbox, and here you can see varying options. Let me just put the iPhone probably like about here so that you can see all the process. So it's right there. It may not be anyway, but let's go over to erase all data, and of course you need to read what it's saying over here, and I'm going to type in understood. So I'm going to type in that and erase all data. The phone would reboot, and of course all the data would be wiped. And as you can see, current progress, data is being wiped, device is being reset to factory, is going to reboot, and at this point it should start booting up into of course your setup. So let's just allow this to happen, and of course after this I am going to explain you guys what we're going to do. Alright, so now we are on setup. Let's quickly set up the device. Not normally, because of course normally we'd have to connect to Wi-Fi. So set up manually, and do not connect to any Wi-Fi network. You can see right now that it doesn't allow me an option to go next, but I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. So you're going back to your PC, keep your device connected, and on FreeUtools you're going to select skip setup. So what you're going to do is of course select activate and skip basically. Alright, so we have done this, and now the device is now on the home screen. Okay, so you can see we are on our home screen, and of course we have bypassed this issue. So of course we can now use all our apps. We can go on to settings. We have basically our iPhone back to life. So general about, we can go on to use our phone freely. So I trust that you guys was helped out with this video, and of course I believe that quite a few of you had this issue. I don't think that the issue is in the minority, but quite a few. But of course, if it helped you out, be sure to hit thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with others who having the issue as well, and I'll see you guys in another video.